Hello, in front of me I've got Creative Outlier Pro. In this video I'll show you how to perform soft reset of your earbuds. At the beginning, put them back in the charging case. Close the lid and now wait from 5 to 10 seconds. After this time, open the lid of the charging case, remove them from the case, and soft reset has been performed. If there are still connection problems, you can press and hold multifunctional button for 6 seconds on each earbud to manually turn them off, and then to turn them on, press and hold for 3 seconds this button, and that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.